Hey, I just wanted to do a super quick video on how to de-ribbonize fiber optic cable or split the ribbons. There's a couple of special tools to do this that are real expensive and don't even really work all that well. This isn't the prettiest way to do it, but it's very fast and you never break a fiber. All you have to do, this is a 24 count ribbon here. So there's like two 12 count ribbons put together. So if you needed to split these two in half, sometimes you could just do this right here. Fold it and break it in halves, right? So if you need to just split it in half, just fold it, split it, pull it apart. Now you have two 12 count ribbons. Just make sure that they break right in the very middle. But if you need to completely de-ribbonize or split a ribbon, here's the interesting part. You got all this coating on there. If you pull a little bit like this, where you're not going to get slack in the ribbon, you can just take your fingers and twist like this right here and crunch up that outer coating. And you might think you'll break the fibers, but I have been doing this for several years and I have never had a fiber break. Just that coating comes off. It looks a little ugly, but it didn't hurt any of the fibers. So now, you say I wanted the last half of ribbon 14. Well, now I can just pull apart the ones that I need, like this, which would be white through aqua. So there's my white through aqua. I have it, and now I can separate it just like that. Say I was going to go splice this end, and leave this end intact, separate. You could also, of course, if it was a ring cut, you could just cut these ones right here. The last thing I wanted to mention was, if you want to completely de-ribbonize to burn as singles, like to pigtails or whatnot, once you get to this point that you have a loose section in the middle, instead you can pull the fibers off one at a time, but it's kind of time consuming. But if you pull one all the way off one side and one all the way off the other side, so that would be blue and aqua normally. If you pull blue all the way out and then aqua all the way out, which I don't have to do because I already split this ribbon. But now both sides of this coating are torn, so you should be able to, at the beginning, get a hold of the coating and just peel the entire coating off as one piece. You just do the little crunch here to start. All the fibers separate from the coating. And you get the whole coating in one big shot. That way and this way. And then pretty soon you have a whole bunch of loose ribbons, or I'm sorry, loose fibers that you can splice. So anyway, I just wanted to show you how to deal with that coating to split ribbons. Like I said, one more time, let me do that crunch one more time for you. Okay, here's a 12 count ribbon. Hold it like this. Just kind of roll it in your fingers while holding a little bit of tension on it. And off comes all the coating, but doesn't break fibers. Cool. Thanks. Bye.